was going to be busy all week. First, I had to drop off some batteries to match some drills Lee had bought. Then I had to pick up a dump trailer and drive an hour and a half to Alabama to start a renovation on a lake house. Come back with the dump trailer to Mississippi to tear out some tile from a previous job, then make my way back to the spec house to clean up the exterior. I knew right away he didn't want them, and I was going to get stuck for the money. I didn't even need more batteries, and I only got them because he said he wanted them.
Man, this doesn't even fit. You expect me to pay for this? I'm not paying for this. Take this back.
I'll take it back.
You need to lay off this. It's turning your brain into mush.
It's Diamond, dude. You're smoking like 4 cigarettes at one time.
Take your back. Hey, by the way, when's your next video coming out?
I know what I'm doing now.
Get to work.
This is where we keep the ashes of the previous occupants.
What this?
I'm telling you, I've left the house like 3 times and I've seen it all 3 times.
I think you're just paranoid. Oh my God, I see it. I see it. It's right there.
See? I told you. I told you. It's the same one. He's been following me all day.
Hey, I just wanted to be in this one. When's your next video coming out?
That's kind of what this is.
Oh, well, I never got paid for the last one.
Did you check your mail?
Did you mail it?
No.
Oh.